Welcome to Alona Mariners Resort here in Alona, Panglao, Bohol, Philippines. Ito yung standard nila. Standard room. Ayan. So, ito may flat screen TV. At saka may maliit mini refrigerator. May electric kettle with 2 cups. With mirror, with telephone, and also they have a study table, and meron silang ito deposit security with water, and merong hot and cold shower. Ayan, hot and cold shower. So, automatic na siya. Okay, so ito yung standard room nila. Okay, so this is Alona Mariners. This is Randy from RGMM Travel and Tours.